welcome back to WsCube. So guys, in our previous sessions we covered all the set functions, and in our today's session we will be doing some problem solving related to the sets. So let's get started. We have some problems over here. I have written down 5 questions over here. We will be solving all these problems in this video. So for our first problem over here says write a program to find maximum and minimum in a set. So our problems over here are write a program to find maximum and minimum in a set. Second says write a program to find common elements in 3 lists using sets. Write a program to find difference between 2 sets over here. And write a Python program to remove an item from a set if it is present in the set. And lastly, write a Python program to check if a set is a subset of another set. So let's get started with the question number 1, which says write a program to find maximum and minimum in a set.
Before that, if you want to become a successful data analyst and if you want to learn from our experts live, then you can call on the given number or you can fill the form that is provided in our description. Not just that, with our every batch, you will be getting 2 demo classes for free.
So for finding a maximum and minimum in a set, let's create an example of a set over here. Let's consider an example of a set over here. So I'll be writing A is equals to a set, and inside I'll be entering some values. So what I need to do is over here I need to find what is the maximum value and what is the minimum value over here. To find maximum and minimum values over here inside the sets, we have some set functions. That is the minimum and the maximum functions over here in the set. We will be using both of them to find the values over here. First of all, I'll be writing print the minimum value in the given set is, and I'll be enclosing it inside a string. Put a comma, and then here we will be passing a variable. Again, I'll be writing the maximum value set is, and I'll be putting a comma over here and passing a variable. For that, let's create variables over here that will store our values of the maximum value in the set and the minimum value of the set. So if I call it min is equals to, or let me call it as minimum itself. So minimum is equals to minimum of A, and maximum is equals to maximum, that is max, that would be a short form of A. And then what we will be doing, we will be copy pasting these variables over here. So now let's run and see. So I get the minimum value over here is 4 and the maximum value over here is 89, which is true that the minimum value in this set we can clearly see is 4 and the maximum value which we can clearly see over here is 89. So that means our program is working perfectly fine, and this is how it can be solved. So there was just a very simple method of using our set functions over here, which provides us with a minimum and a maximum values over here. Moving ahead to our next question over here says write a program to find common elements in 3 lists using sets. So what we need to do, we need 3 lists over here. First of all, so I'll be creating 3 lists. A is equals to, and adding some numbers to it, some random numbers basically. B is equals to, and C is equals to. Now these are lists over here. What we need to do, we need to convert them into a set. To apply set operations, that means to use our intersection method over here, we need to convert them into a set. So what I will be doing, I will be converting them in a format of a set by writing set A, and because we want to imply intersection on this, so I'll be writing and set B, and again intersection of set C. So what we have basically done in this line, we have converted them into the sets. We have converted A, B, C into a set, plus also we have applied the method of intersection in between them, and after that we will be printing it. So print, so we'll be writing print over here, that print, and then close it over here. Now as soon as I run it, I get the output 4 and 5. That 4 and 5 are the common numbers in all the 3 sets, which we can clearly see over here as well. So first of all, it was a list. We converted them into the sets, and then we applied the intersection method over here to find the common elements which were present inside these lists. If you want, you can add over here that the common elements in the given lists are, I'll put a comma, and then again if I now run it, so it says that the common elements in the given list are, and it provides us with a set over here which has the common element, that is 4 and 5. So I hope guys this question is also clear. Moving ahead to our next question over here says write a program to find the difference between two sets. So here again we need to consider the condition. So here again we need to consider two sets over here. I'll be creating set A. A is equals to, inside I'll be putting some values, and I'll be considering a set B over here. Again inside I'll be adding some values. Now because I want to find the difference over here, what I need to do, I'll be writing print A dot difference B. So now as soon as I run it, it gives me the value that are there. 2, 4, 5 and 23 are the numbers which are there, which is present in set A but not in set B. Other than these numbers, so 23 is not present over here, 5 is not present, 4 is not present, 2 is not present, 7, yes, it is present in set B. Talking about 3, yes, it is present in set B. Talking about 10 is also present in our set B. So remaining 4 numbers, that is 2, 4, 5 and 23, we have got it with using the difference method over here by applying a difference function between these two sets. We can do the vice versa as well. We can write B over here and we can write A over here, that elements which are present in B but not in A. So we have 65, 13 and 31 that are present in our set B but are not present in our set A. Moving ahead to our next question over here. Next question over here says write a Python program to remove an item from a set if it is present in the set. So I'm considering an example of a set over here. So for doing this question, we have a very simple trick over here. We will be using our discard function over here. All we need to do is write a dot discard. Now whichever number you want to discard, suppose I'll be creating a variable called as B. Inside I want to remove 34 from here. So what I'll be doing, A dot discard B, or you can directly write a number also over here, and then we will be printing our A. So if I run it, I get the output over here 4, 6, 8, 56, 12. Now you can see in this set the 34 is not there. But it is also mentioned that write a Python program to remove an item from a set if it is present in the set. So what if a number is not present in the set? Suppose if I write 13 over here which is not present in the set, then it will not be removed because it's not even there. So it will directly provide us with a set over here in which 13 is not there, because 13 is already not there. So it won't make any changes basically over here. Next, we will be talking about our last question over here, which says write a Python program to check if a set is a subset of another set or not. So I'll be considering two sets over here, and I'll be writing A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and another set B is equals to 2, 3, So what I need to check if this set B is a subset of A, that it is a part of A. So if I write B dot is subset, whose subset A. So if I run it, it gives me true because all the values which are there in B are present in A. While at the same time, if I would have done vice versa, that means I would have written A over here, that all the values of A, are they present in all the values of B? That means no, that we can clearly see that here 1, 5 and 6 are the values that are not present inside B. So A is not a subset of B, but B is a subset of A. So we can write over here B, and if I write over here A, and it gives me output like this, true, that means all the values which are there inside the B are present there inside the A. So these were some, so guys, this is how we have solved our question number 5. So guys, these were some of our set questions that usually comes, and I hope after solving these questions you have no doubts and no questions in the sets. In our next session we will be starting with a new module called as functions. We will be discussing a lot of things about the functions, so stay connected guys, and I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.